Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ella if you're new here, if not then hello. So as you can probably see from the backdrop, today I'm going to be doing a really colourful look. I'm actually going to be remaking a sunflower look from the Instagram Makeup by Rave. It's a really amazing eyeshadow look using eyeliner to represent sunflowers. So I thought I'd give it a go and test it out. I thought this would be a perfect video for summer and I'm just really excited to try it out. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, then I'd love if you subscribed and gave it a big thumbs up. And let's get into the makeup. Okay, so I've just done my eyebrows off camera and carved them out. I've recently been using the Maybelline brow pomade instead of the brow pencil, and I'm really liking how it's turning out. If you guys want to see an updated brow routine or maybe like a do's and don'ts of eyebrows, then let me know. And I just carved out my eyebrows and primed my eyelids using the Revlon Colourstay. And I'm thinking I'm going to start with my eyeshadow this time instead of my base, because I'm not sure how much fallout there's going to be. So to save my face getting ruined, I think I'll start with my eyeshadow. So since it's a very colourful look, I am going to be going in with my Revolution Marvellous Matte, since the palette is very colourful itself. And using a very small brush, I'm just going to be going in with this yellow right here and working it in my crease. So like I said in my Galaxy makeup video, I really like this palette since it does give a range of different colours and it's perfect for any of those colourful looks, and it's super affordable. So I'm working the yellow into the high points of my crease since I will be carving out the lid area. This is a really nice vibrant yellow colour and I'm just blending it out, doing back and forth motions. And since I want the look to be very condensed, I am going to be packing on the yellow. And I will be winging it out a little bit as well. I really enjoy doing these colourful looks, so you guys will have to let me know if you enjoy them too. If you haven't already seen my Galaxy makeup look, then do check that out because that was a really fun video that I filmed. And I also used eyeliner for the detailed work, just like I will be doing in today's video. Okay, so I think that's all the yellow I want. I will be darkening up the bottom part of the crease using this darker yellowy orange colour just to give it a bit of definition. And I'm just going to be doing the same on the other eye, taking that orangey yellow colour and just placing it under where I put the yellow colour. So the good thing about this eyeshadow look is the eyeshadow part is very simple. It's the eyeliner part which I may get stuck on, but that's okay, we will give it a go. Okay, so that's the predominant eyeshadow look, and now for the hard bit we're going to go in with the eyeliner. So I'm going to be taking the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner as they are really nice and condensed. The brush size is super small as you can see, and they just give a really good variety of colours, especially this yellow look, which would be perfect for our sunflower. So I've just zoomed you in even more just so you can get a really good view of what I'll be doing next. So starting at the top of my eyebrow, I'm just going to be drawing in some petals. The good thing about this look is you don't have to be too neat or detailed at the start, as we're basically just drawing the outline of the flower. And again, I'm just going to be drawing in another flower with some more petals. Okay, so that's the outline of the petal. Next we're going to be going in with some black eyeshadow. This is the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to be drawing circles and some seeds into the middle of the petal. Okay, so that was easier than I thought. That's pretty much the sunflower. I am going to be drawing in some leaves just around some of the flowers to fill in the gaps. So to do that, I'm going to be taking the Revolution and I'm going to be taking this nice dark green colour using a angled brush. I do actually use this for my eyebrows, but I think this will be a perfect brush for drawing the leaves. So using the angled part of the brush, I'm just going to be dipping into that green in the Marvellous Mattes palette, and I'm just going to be drawing in some leaves around the flowers. Okay, I really like how that's turned out. I'm just going to be doing the exact same on the other eye. Okay, that's the sunflowers done. I really like how that's turned out. Those NYX eyeliners are actually perfect for looks like these because you can get a really nice detailed precise look with them. Yeah, I really like how they turned out. I think the green does make them look more realistic as well. So yeah, perfect. That's the sunflowers. Final step for the eye look is to carve out the bottom part of my eyelid and add a yellow winged eyeliner. Okay, all carved out, and for the eyeliner I'm going to be using the yellow eyeliner that I used for the sunflowers. Okay, that's all the eyeshadow and eyeliner done. I'm now just going to be applying some of the Focallure Bomb Lashes mascara. As I am going to be using false lashes, I do want a thin layer of mascara first. Ever since I did the video testing the Focallure brand, I have been gravitating towards this mascara. It does really lengthen my lashes, which I really like. And this with a mixture of the Bag Gal Bang seems to be my perfect combination for my eyelashes. So I'm really happy that I've actually found some good products from Focallure because it's so affordable, so cheap, and it's cruelty free. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Eyelure Enchanted lashes. These are some really nice wispy lashes, and I think they will go perfectly with this look. Okay, that's the lashes. They're so nice and fluttery, really nice and voluminous, and I think they just make this look perfect. So for the bottom lashes, I'm just going to go back in with that yellow and drag it under the bottom lash line. And I'm also going to go in with the orange that I used to darken it up. And using the Focallure Bomb Lashes, I'm just going to be applying mascara to my bottom lash line. Okay, and that's the eyeshadow look complete. Since this is a very summery look, I am going to go in with a very light foundation as I don't want my face looking too cakey. So for my foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Revlon Colourstay 24-Hour foundation. So I'm in the shade 150, which I find suits me perfectly. It's a really nice foundation because it's quite medium coverage and you can build it up. So I'm just going to be blending that in with my beauty blender, making sure to be careful near the eye area so I don't mess anything up. I am very pale at the moment, so I will be bronzing up with the Hoola bronzer a bit later. But this foundation just gives my skin a really nice kind of base where all my powders set perfectly. I like to change between different foundations. I think this one is definitely one of my favourites, especially for a lighter coverage. But as many of you know, my favourite probably is the Conceal and Define from Revolution. But there are a lot of different drugstore brands that I really like for foundation. Okay, and I've blended it all down my neck, being very careful around my eyes as I don't want to ruin any of the eyeshadow that I've already done. And I'm just going to set that very quickly using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Dusting it all over my face, but also focusing on my T-zone area, as that's usually where my foundation comes off. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer in the original shade. I'm just going to be dabbing that into my cheekbones and working it around my forehead. Recently, I found that kind of dabbing in my bronzers made it look a lot more kind of pigmented. I think when I kind of brush it on, maybe some of the pigmentation kind of comes off. So I'm really liking this technique recently for my bronzer. I keep catching myself in the mirror with this eyeshadow look and feeling a little crazy, but I actually really like how it's turned out. If you do want to see some more kind of out there looks, then please do let me know, or if you kind of prefer the everyday tutorials, then make sure to let me know as well. For blush, I'm using my favourite MUA blush, and I'm just going to be placing that along my cheekbones. I just find it looks really nice and rosy, which I think is perfect for this makeup look. And then last but not least, I'm going in with the Barry M Tri-Baked Highlighter. This is absolutely perfect for this look, as it's a really nice kind of champagne-y golden colour. I really like this lip pencil from, I think it's from Primark actually. It's so nice and pigmented, and it gives a really nice kind of rosy look on your lips. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys loved this video. I really enjoyed filming it. It's such a nice different makeup look, and I love how the sunflowers have gone. I really recommend, if you want to do any detailed precision looks on your eyeshadow, to definitely get hold of the Vivid Brights from NYX, as those eyeliners are so nice and detailed. Also, for the eyelashes, I'm loving these Enchanted lashes by Eyelure. They're just so nice and fluttery, and I think they really pull the look together, so I'll definitely be using these again. As always, if you liked this look, then I'd love if you liked to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see some more flowery looks or different kind of looks, then please let me know in the comments, because I really like trying out new things, especially when they turn out really good like this look. And yeah, that's about it for this video, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye!